Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 27th July 2023. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs Chairman Vivek Johri clarified that there is no reverse flow of information that will happen after bringing the Goods and Service Tax Network under the ambit of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. The clarification was made to address the apprehensions raised by some states regarding the interference of investigating agencies in businesses. The amendment to the PMLA includes GSTN in the list of entities with which the Enforcement Directorate will share information. However, the intention behind this move is to enable the sharing of information from the Financial Intelligence Unit with GSTN. The GSTN can then use this information for risk assessment purposes. The SEBI has notified Stockbrokers Second Amendment Regulations 2023. The amendment has been notified in Regulation 10A, that is Application for Registration. A new proviso to the regulation has been inserted. Now, no separate registration shall be required for any person registered with a limited purpose clearing corporation as a participant for participating in the tripartite repo segment for undertaking proprietary trades in corporate bonds. The SEBI has notified Securities Contracts Regulation, Stock Exchange and Clearing Corporation Second Amendment Regulations 2023. The amendment norms require depository participants to contribute to the Settlement Guarantee Fund. Earlier, the recognized limited purpose clearing corporations, clearing members and issuers of debt securities were obliged to make a contribution to the Settlement Guarantee Fund. Respective changes have also been notified in Regulation 37, that is Fund to Guarantee Settlement of Trades. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has conveyed the approval to credit interest at the rate of 8.15% per annum for the year 22-23 to the account of each member of Employee Provident Fund Scheme as per the provisions of Para 60 of EPS Scheme 1952. Jio Financial Services Limited or JFS, the demerged entity of Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries Limited and BlackRock, on Wednesday announced an agreement to form Jio BlackRock, a 50-50 joint venture to deliver tech-enabled access to affordable, innovative investment solutions for millions of investors in India. JFS and BlackRock are targeting initial investment of $150 million each in the joint venture. The joint venture will launch operations post receipt of regulatory and statutory approvals. The company will have its own management team. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.